Want to access and configure your Asus router settings. No worries. Here is the process. To begin with, plug in your router to the power socket. Next, connect the router network to the device using an active internet connection. You can use an Ethernet cable for a wired connection or directly link it with a Wi-Fi network. Now press the power button and check the LED is turned on the router. Further, open the web browser and type asusrouter.com in the address bar. Enter your default admin details and tap on Sign In. Next, you visit the smart dashboard of the Asus router where you can access all the settings. After that, click on Create a new network WAN port automatic IP. Sure you can assign a new network name and strong password to your router. Finally, you have full access to your router network, and you can also create a guest network, access the bridge mode, etc.